Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24 blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is a specific system, lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. Once again, today's topic is lymphatic system, and this topic include is biology chapter 24 blood circulation, blood circulatory system of humans. First of all, simple means of lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. Students, in previous online classes we studied blood circulatory system. In blood circulatory system, blood vessels, human heart are includes. Once again, in previous online classes we studied blood circulatory system. Students, in blood circulatory system include blood vessels and heart, and next system is lymphatic system. In lymphatic system includes lymph vessels, and lymph nodes. Together form the lymphatic system. First of all, lymph. Students, it is a colorless fluid. First, next, it lacks of blood corpuscles. Next is it has less amount of nutrients. Once again, it has less amount of nutrients but more amount of nutrient found in blood. Next is lymph is a filtered blood. Students, in humans, pure blood carried by artery. Once again, in humans, pure blood carried by arteries. This is blood. When blood transport in blood vessels, for example in artery, so blood to do a specific pressure, it is called blood pressure on arteries wall. So some specific part of blood are filtered. These specific filtered part of blood is called lymph. Once again, when blood flow in arteries, so blood to do a specific pressure on arteries walls, so some specific part of blood filtered. The filtered part of blood is called lymph. So next is lymph flows in lymphatic system in fluid form in the capillaries. Capillaries is a types of blood vessels due to pressure. Blood is filtered, then the filter or filtrate is known as lymph. Next is lymph flows in specific vessels. It is called lymph vessels. Next is lymph vessels. Students, it is a part of lymphatic system. First is it is a part of lymphatic system. Next is lymph also flows in the body like blood. In humans, various tissues of the body once again various tissue of the body are being impressed in lymph. Next is exchange of gases and substances between cells and blood is through lymph. Once again, exchange of gases like O2 and CO2 and substance like some nutrient substance between cells and blood through lymph. So lymph is a mediator between cells and blood. It means blood vessels. This is a figure of blood vessels. This is human figure of cell. Blood when blood filter blood is called lymph. Lymph flow in specific vessels is called lymph vessels. In blood, O2 transport of cell, and cell CO2 transport by lymph, and lymph transfer to blood. Once again, blood vessels, when blood flow in blood vessels, some specific substance, some specific part of blood are filtered, it is called lymph. Lymph flow in lymph vessels, and some specific exchange of substance like gases and nutrients between blood and cells by lymph. So it is a mediator between cells and blood. Next is types of lymph vessels. First is thoracic lymph duct. It means tube like, it means fluid transport in thoracic part, so it is called thoracic lymph duct. Once again, duct, it means tube like structure. Lymph, it means it is a filtered part of blood. Next, transport in thoracic part, so it is called thoracic lymph duct. This lymph duct to transport lymph in thoracic part, neck part, and left part of head. Next is right lymphatic duct. Right lymphatic duct. Once again, right lymphatic duct, it is a types of lymph vessels. Next is, this is situated in neck part, it collects lymph from right part of head, neck, forelimbs, and thoracic part. Once again, duct, it is duct, it means tube like. Lymphatic, it means lymph transport in right part, so it is called right lymphatic duct. Third is lymph nodes. Students, lymph nodes, it is a part of lymphatic system. It means lymph vessels and lymph nodes together form lymphatic system. First is, it is a part of lymphatic system. First, second is lymph glands are situated at several in lymph vessels in these node. Net of lymph capillaries and lymphocytes are situated. Once again, lymph glands, it means tumor like structures, are situated as several in lymph vessels like thoracic lymph duct, next right lymphatic duct. In this node, net of lymph capillaries and lymphocyte are situated. Lymphocyte, students, it is a types of WBC. Next is functions of lymphatic system. Last point of lymphatic system is, first is lymphatic system is helpful for the transport of absorbed nutritive, it means nutrient substance especially fats. Thus it means it helpful for the transport of absorbed nutrient like fats. Next is absorbed fats in the intestine part. It is a part of alimentary canal. Intestine part through lacteal duct or lacteal vessels. Firstly, goes in lymphatic system and then into venous system. Venous system, it is second. Absorb fat in the intestine part through lacteal vessels. It is an important part of lacteal vessels. It means absorb, digest or absorb fat in intestine part by lacteal vessels. And next is white blood carpals present in lymph Next, so lymph to protect germs. So lymph to protect germs. Students, in this topic related a homework difference between blood and lymph. So today's topic is completed. In this topic, lymph vessels and lymph node we studied, and next function of lymphatic system. So thanks, have a nice day.